Okay, here's the video to go with spot check 28. I'm going to do all three classes in the same video. Maybe it'll make it less time. But anyway, for all these, you're doing polynomial long division with an area model. So remember the area model, you're undoing multiplication. If you were multiplying, you'd have this on top and this on the left side, and then you multiply to get the stuff in the middle. When you combine the like terms, it becomes the answer, which is the dividend. So we're undoing that. So you start off with x minus 1, 2 rows, because there's two terms in the divisor. And then you're saying if this is x, it goes into x to the fourth, x cubed times. And then you multiply this times negative 1 and get that. And here's the big part where students get confused. You have to remember these two terms combine to be the x cubed part of the dividend. So you're only given these two right here. So you start with the one where you know you're going to end up 6x cubed, and you say I subtract whatever this is. But subtracting a negative is adding. So 6 adding 1 is 7x cubed. And then it's just rinse and repeat. X goes into this 7x squared times, multiply this times negative 1, you get that. Again, start with what the dividend has. You know inside the box is negative 7x squared. What else do we have to use to get to negative 12? Well, I don't know. But let's do negative 12 minus a negative 7. That's adding 7. Negative 12 plus 7 is negative 5x squared. And you rinse and repeat until you do all the terms. Same thing with the constant. The constants here will be written over the divisor as the remainder. Okay? And you can always, I suggest you do this all the time, to double check when your divisor is a nice linear binomial. You can change that constant, put it in the window, and double check that you get the right remainder for synthetic division, or through synthetic division. Okay, so that was 64. Here is real quick second periods. You can look at those numbers, pause this video if you want to look at your spot check to study. And same thing, here is fourth periods. Look at those numbers. You can pause the video to look at your spot check to study. All right, that's it.